Exploring the process of converting JPG to HEIC opens up a world of possibilities. For enhanced image management, join us in unraveling the seamless transformation from traditional JPG to the innovative HEIC format. Part 1. How to convert JPG or JPEG to HEIC. 1. Mac Preview App. The Maco's Preview app includes an export feature capable of converting JPG to HEIC. Given its efficient handling of the format, especially on Apple devices like iPhones, this functionality often goes unnoticed by many users. 2. Convertio. With Convertio, you have the flexibility to upload numerous files from your computer or directly from cloud services like Dropbox, converting them to HEIC. The only consideration is that for files exceeding 100 megabytes, you'll need to sign up for a paid plan to enjoy larger size limits. 3. Imagiconverter. For those aiming to convert JPG to HEIC on iPhone, consider using the Imagiconverter app. This JPG or JPEG to HEIC converter facilitates the conversion between various formats, such as PDF, HEIC, JPG, GIF, BMP, TIFF, and more. 4. Aconvert. Aconvert proves to be an exceptionally comprehensive online conversion tool with an extensive array of file conversion possibilities. Its user-friendly interface and straightforward menu navigation contribute to a delightful user experience. Part 2. Bonus. The best HEIC to JPG converter. In this segment, we'd like to introduce you to a top-notch HEIC converter, Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. It stands out as an excellent tool for converting and opening HEIC files on both Mac and Windows PC. How to convert HEIC to JPEG with Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Install and launch the HEIC to JPG converter on your computer. Upon opening, the main interface will be visible as depicted below. Step 2. Select Add HEIC to import your HEIC images into the program, or drag HEIC or HEIC images onto the window. Step 3. All imported HEIC photos will be listed in the software. Choose the one for conversion. Opt for JPG/JPEG as the output format and decide whether to retain or exclude EXIF data. Step 4. Specify the desired output path and initiate the HEIC to JPEG conversion by clicking the Convert button. Once completed, use the Show in Folder option to view the converted files.